Love. Love is a word we hear all too often. Love is a feeling. Love is an action. Love is patient. Love is kind. I think we all know what love is to some extent. But in the Bible, we are called to love God and love others. Yes, we all know this. But how do we love those we don't necessarily love? While loving family and friends may be easy, how can we love those we don't know? What does it mean to love others in this sense? Does it mean we have to give every person we meet a big hug and tell them we love them? As much as the idea of this might make us smile, this isn't necessarily what it means to love others. While the meaning of love itself deserves a study of its own, when it comes to loving those we don't know, Rabbi Pliskin outlines that to love others means to have a deep and profound sense of respect for each person you encounter, realizing that they are all created in the image of God. Knowing that every person is created in His image changes our perspective of others. Loving and respecting others is akin to loving and respecting God. So to love others means to see the worth of others, to know that they, like you, are a child of God, no matter whether they believe in God or not. We are all from the same Creator, whether we accept it or not, and the worth of every single human being comes down to this. Our age, gender, race, ethnicity, job, or wealth does not define our worth. No, our worth is derived from God. In seeing the worth of others, we are able to love them as God wants. We are able to treat them with kindness and respect. We are able to offer them a helping hand if they need, or talk to them if they look lonely. So next time you interact with someone, remember that you are speaking to someone created in God's image. Treat them as a child of God deserves. See the good qualities of every single individual you encounter, because this is a part of our duty to love others. Never forget this. Proverbs 3 verse 3. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablets of your heart.